have had the opportunity to tag in and out. Kerry has not.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna have to make sure it's working properly. But this was David, Kerry, and Kevin against the Freebirds. Y'all know that was epic here in Dallas, Texas. That was rivals. The Von Erichs versus the Freebirds was epic. Every time they got into a ring, they just fight. That's Kerry and Michael Hayes right there. That's David Manning trying to split them up, but he never did a good job. Beat him.
There's blood on the face of Michael Hayes.
Guys, oh, I love me some.
Hayes is waiting. David Manning.
I mean, guys, y'all, I like WWE. Don't get me wrong, but this was my wrestling back in the day. This was it for us here in Dallas, Texas.
And he can't get out.
Look at Kevin. He was trying to get in.
Here's Bronco Libichov. David Manning saying that both of these men are going to be counted.
Kevin, like, nah, they go David. They're like, nah, you would not.
Great shot of Von Erich keeping guard of the other Freebirds.
Now remember, this is an elimination match. So far, Kerry Von Erich and Michael Hayes have been eliminated.
What? That was an elimination?
At least Buddy Roberts and Jerry Gordy on one team. Kevin and David Von Erich on the other side.
Joe and Ellie explaining the situation. Kerry and Hayes both have been eliminated.
Wow. I didn't even read it when it said an elimination match.
Look out. Look, David caught it in midair. A television camera stand, and David caught it midair.
And David was tired, y'all. He was real tired. Don't care when you eliminated.
All over the face of Michael Hayes. He's still hanging around.
Michael Hayes and Kerry Von Erich, you are eliminated. You leave now, or both of you are facing a heavy fine.
Listen to David Manning.
David Manning reminding him of the fine possibility if they don't obey. Kerry's still in the ring. Hayes trying to get back in. A wild 6-man.
Y'all know the Von Erichs and the Freebirds, baby. They couldn't stand each other.
They can't hold him back. And now Hayes runs from the ring. Kerry reached out, went to work on him, and Hayes ran from the ring.
Man, the Von Erichs had something going. I mean, of course they would have been older now, but
just before if
they
Kerry
were in their prime.
will leave.
David was the breakout star. But again, he went over there to Japan. Like I said, if y'all want to know further about what really happened, go look for Black Bart, because that's where I go look at when I want to details, because he seemed to be telling everything. Black Bart. And that's David Von Erich and Buddy Roberts. Let me just see who won.
Look out. What's he going to do? Throws him over on Roberts' knee. And Roberts bails out. Here's Gordy. He's a pin. 1, 2, 3. Kevin is now eliminated. It's 2-on-1.
Kevin Von Erich has been eliminated. That leaves David in one corner against the two Freebirds, Gordy and Roberts.
Two Freebirds against one.
Oh,
Von Erich
wow.
now.
So David against Gordy and Buddy Roberts.
Kevin will leave, and it's David against Roberts and Gordy.
And Kevin is the oldest
exactly
guy.
what the Freebirds wanted. An elimination bout, and it's down to 2-on-1. And there are the two. Gordy.
No, they think they got the upper hand, y'all. Because it's two
David
of them.
Von Erich is ready, and he will face Gordy first. Not an easy situation for anyone to be in. David gets the right on Roberts, turns around to get Gordy. Both men.
Man, y'all, I miss this. I promise you. I'm a kid of the 70s. I miss this wrestling right here.
Gordy falls like a
Again, man, we used to go on Sunday nights. It used to cost like $2 or $3 to get into the sportatorium. And my mom would take us on Sunday nights.
Leaper. Hey, here's Roberts. Knocking David away. Well, that raises some questions. Now what is this? David got out of the way and he got Gordy. Well, now I'm glad they didn't eliminate Roberts. Gordy threatening the Oriental spike. Gordy with a spike. Look out. It may be lights out. What can David do?
Come on, David. Come on, David.
David wants
Oh, he got
to
that
find a way to
clout.
get that claw.
He got that clout.
Oh, reaches up.
He got that clout, guys. You know the Von Erich was famous for that clout.
Claw beforehand. Great move by David. And here's Roberts interfering again. 2 against 1.
So it's 2 against
No
1.
tag. What now? Over the rope goes Woody Roberts. And Roberts is eliminated.
Y'all see, I'm right at home. This was my wrestling right here.
Buddy Roberts has been eliminated. That leaves it up to
This was my
David
wrestling.
Gordy.
But look out, here's Gordy with that big
Man,
suplex.
this was it for me.
And he wants the thumb. Again, the Oriental spike. And he drives that spike right into the ring. Hard claw. Ring the bell, it's all over. David threw him out.
And the winner of the elimination match, the sensational Von Erich brothers, Kerry, Kevin, and David.
Ray comes from behind win for the Von Erichs.